So for this question here, we were told that for x takes -1, 0, and 1 with probability of 1/4, half, and 1/4 again. So bar x is the mean of three values of x, meaning to say you run this experiment 3 times. So bar x will just be x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Tabulate the probability distribution of bar x and use it to calculate the value of variance bar x. I think just list it down. This is a table I will come out with now. So if later we just sum the probability and see if it makes up to 1. If it doesn't make up to 1, then no choice. So this one bar x here, okay, we see how to calculate the probability. This bar x, obviously this bar x is just equals to -1. Okay, so the probability for this guy, I think it's a good exercise. You just want -1 to happen 3 times. Okay, so this will be 1/4 cube lah. Okay, for this guy, this bar x will just be -2/3. So this guy will be -1/4 square times 0, which is like half. Now, but this one, a lot of times students forget to multiply 3 factorial, 2 factorial, because the number of ways you can arrange this guy. So these are 2 identical ones. Your x1 and x2, it can be -1, -1, 0, -1, 0, -1, 0, -1. The sequencing of the way it comes out for the 3 of them. So the 2 factorial comes about because of these 2 identical ones. Okay, if you want to. Then same with this one also need to multiply 3 factorial, 2 factorial. But this bar x will also be, this one will be -1/3. Okay. This one is the important one. This one need to multiply 3 factorial because these are 3 distinct. Okay, so 3 factorial. Important. 0, 0, 0, obviously is just 0. So this one will just be half cube. You can just multiply 3 factorial over 3 factorial, but it's redundant. You don't need to arrange it. I'm gonna just tabulate it lah. Hope for the best. So tabulate the distribution table. There you go. Here will be this one. This one -1 is this guy. Just plot the value in. For this guy, minus 1/3 will be 3/16 plus 3/64. Same goes with 1/3. You just take 1/3, 3/16 plus 3/64. The comfort is that it'll be symmetrical about the mean. So 1 would be, what's 1? 1/64. Okay, so everything add up should be 1. So of course, if you don't get everything equals to 1, means you probably screwed. Yes. My 0 is wrong. I never add these 2 up. Oh, 16. So calculate the variance. I think should be quite okay lah. Once you get this table, it's usually the table which is hard to get. Then once you get the table, should be quite okay to get the variance. The expectation of EX shouldn't be too hard because it's symmetrical about the middle, the mean. So you know that the expectation, this will minus off this one, this will minus off this one, this will minus off this one. So it will definitely be 0 lah. This is 0. Okay. The bar x square, however, will just be, I'm just gonna times 2 for these 2 ends here, 2 tail ends here. Then variance of bar x will be variance of exponential of bar x square. 1/6 minus 0, which is 1/6. So you should verify. So just find the variance x. Variance x quite easy to find. So this is px equals to x. We were told that this is 1/4, half, and 1/4. So same thing by symmetry. This is 0 because symmetrical about the middle. Okay. So ex square, this will be half. Variance x. Just verified, that's all. That's all.